Okay, today I'm going to prepare the same thing I eat during the last almost 2 months, I guess. 2 months, I guess. So, asparagus. Yeah, this one is closed. This one goes like that. And vegetables, more vegetables, 8 and 30 minutes, and start. And as for the rest, I just think what to do with the rest. And this one. And what I'm going to prepare is, I think I will go with fried egg, because I have only 4 eggs. Oh, here. That's maple syrup, by the way, so actually it was because it's empty now. Okay, they are dancing. So the idea here is to add olive oil to the pan, like that. It's not, oh, this one is like not even, like, Oh wow, this one is like super hot. So I'm going to use the last setting for this. Also change the law setting and cover the pan. And I'm thinking about this here. I think about 2 minutes. Ah. So this one is ready. But I'm still prepare the ice. And I'm also going to use the silicone one. Let's sit down. Let's see how it goes. I think I started with this one, so 30 seconds ago. But let me check the result. I mean, it's sticky to the surface, but this one it's not. So maybe there is a wisdom after all. But you need to wait. You need to check. I'm not checking. Probably 30 seconds on this side because it's almost ready. And this one is not sticky. It is. This way. This way. Oh, okay. So what I'm going to do with this egg is just, I'm going to transfer one here, like that. And another one will go here. So I think the secret is to have preheated pan, and then you need to wait, not really 2 minutes, it's about your pan, so maybe it's 2.5, or maybe 1 and 30. But you need to look for, I don't know how to say it, you need to look at the surface. It needs to be smooth. I'm just looking for tongs. Right here. And yeah. So yeah, I think I'm going to prepare another video about this situation because it needs some explanation. How to proceed. Place it here. So this is the result. This is a smaller portion. This is a bigger one. And on top of this, you can sprinkle asparagus with Parmesan, like that, for additional flavor. Here. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.